11 Benefits of drinking milk with honey. Honey and milk are two ingredients that are known to have magical properties. When combined, honey with milk makes an amazing concoction that is known to have several health benefits. Honey, with its antioxidant, antimicrobial properties, have many nutrients present in it that serves as an excellent natural medicine to combat several health problems. Many already use honey for weight loss. Milk, which is a potent source of protein, calcium, lactic acid, and minerals, has many healing properties as well. Other than being used for medicinal and health purposes, the nourishing blend of milk and honey is also good for the skin. Thanks to the presence of antimicrobial action and cleansing properties present in both of them, honey and milk are all you need to get many benefits for skin health. In a nutshell, be it for health or your skin, milk and honey always come to the rescue. So, without thinking twice, make them a part of your daily health and beauty regime and see the difference. Before going into the video, we've just printed more copies of what is probably the best plant medicine book ever written, The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description. Now let's get into today's video. Have a look at the ways in which you can use honey and milk in detail. What are the health benefits of honey and milk? 1. Improved digestion. Honey with milk is a delectable drink that improves the way the digestive system of individual works. This in turn helps prevent constipation and cramps. 2. Increased stamina. Stamina can be vigorously improved when milk and honey is taken daily in the morning as soon as one wakes up. This mixture replenishes a person's body with all the necessary carbohydrates and essential proteins. 3. Better bone health. Honey and milk contribute to the development of bone health. Milk, as we know, is abundant in calcium that increases bone density. Honey, in addition to it, gives you energy and a sweet taste. 4. Curing insomnia. A glass of warm milk with honey in it can give anyone a good night's sleep. This is because artificial sugar disturbs the body, but natural sugar found in honey turns off a neurotransmitter called orexin that helps the body rest well. 5. Rich in antibacterial properties. Several instances have proven that the benefits of honey with milk extend to the prevention of bacterial growth in the body. Milk and honey mixed together aids in relieving one from the problems of constipation, intestine disorders, and several such diseases by keeping the gut healthy and regularizing one's bowel movements. 6. Home remedy for respiratory problems. Milk mixed with honey works as an effective home remedy to prevent respiratory problems. Warm milk with honey is beneficial in coughs and slight respiratory discomforts when taken at night before sleep. 7. Induces relaxation. If stress, anxiety, and tiredness bother you in your day-to-day life, then drinking a small amount of honey mixed with warm milk will help induce sleep in your body and in turn make you feel relaxed and tension-free. 8. Anti-aging. Regular application of honey with milk as it is or in the form of a homemade face pack is known to reverse the signs of aging like wrinkles, dark spots, and fine lines while revealing fresh, brighter, and younger-looking skin. Mix half teaspoon of honey with 2 teaspoons of milk and half mashed banana. Apply all over the face and neck area. Leave it to dry for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Repeat at least once a week for better results. Have a look at the various benefits of honey for skin. 9. Prevents acne. Acne is a common problem found among people of all age groups. But did you know that the benefits of milk and honey also include getting rid of acne marks and preventing it from appearing on the face? Both milk and honey have antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that kill the acne-causing bacteria and promote blemish-free skin. 10. Moisturizes skin. The application of milk and honey on the skin helps reduce dryness while hydrating the skin from deep within. To keep your skin nourished and moist, apply the mix on your face at night before going to bed. Leave it to dry for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. A mix of milk and honey can also be used to treat chapped lips. 11. Deeply cleanses the skin. Adding a few drops of honey to raw milk makes for an amazing natural cleanser. Using this mixture to gently massage the face aids in getting rid of all the dirt and impurities from the surface of the skin and gives you a flawless and blemish-free complexion. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.